I'm J Bob. This is my wife, S Willie. Just be a redneck.
Can you start over?
Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm Sarah. I am Dawn's daughter-in-law.
And I'm Josh, her son.
All right. Today we're cooking with liquid nitrogen. You have to wear protective gloves and eyewear. Use a metal bowl, not a glass one.
And a big old tank of liquid nitrogen.
It has a special top. You don't want to put this in anything that seals because it expands by
700.
a large number of times. 700?
700.
700 times.
So we're going to pour this in, a nice big layer of liquid nitrogen. We're going to make balls.
Frozen ice cream dots.
Yes.
Not to be confused with a popular brand name.
Okay.
Ooh. Wow, look, it's like wiggling. That is
All right, let's try it. Go ahead.
okay. So, disclaimer, you should wear gloves. I'm not going to. This is a turkey baster with like a special thinner tip. We're gonna see if we get some smaller dots. Okay. Here we go.
All right, go ahead.
Can't even see what. Let's see what's going on in there. Oh, I already think that this is going to be better.
That's looking pretty good.
So we're doing it in a circle and in a really big salad bowl because we tried this before, and the little dots, they want to conglomerate together and make bigger dots.
Let me scoop out and see what we got.
We're trying to separate them.
Yeah.
Wow, those look amazing.
We can probably go nice and quick here. I don't think we need to take them out right away either. We can probably just keep going pretty quick. Let them settle. I think once
the nitrogen's almost like boiling from the middle.
I think once they're completely frozen, then they're not going to conglomerate as much. Let's see, because we have quite a few. Yeah, and they break apart pretty easy.
Yeah, I think just having a smaller
All right, stop for a second.
Is helping.
Oh yeah.
And we have the bowl inside.
Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this.
Just to try the ice cream of the
Here,
tomorrow's ice cream. Hey, yours look like worms.
Yeah. I was trying to go too quick.
Okay, we're gonna switch. You can like hear it boiling. It's funny. Oh yeah, this really works better to just have like a really big bowl and a lot of extra nitrogen in there.
This does work good. Do that again, Sarah.
Oh, no, it's too cold.
Yeah, it just sticks to your tongue.
Yeah. All right, so don't eat them immediately. Maybe give it like 30 seconds.
It's kind of weird how they float until they're frozen and then they sink.
I guess that's how you know they're done.